what? Can you guys what it is? That's what I planned. I'll show like 1, 2 small bits of it, but it says in my thumbnail and my title, so that's useless. Anyway, here it is. So this is what it looks like, and there's lightning speed, immersion, stunning games. So, and the SSD card, it's 825. So let's open this baby up. I'm super excited about this. This is how it opens. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm so excited for this. I got it on the 18th. I was supposed to, because I'm in the UK, I was supposed to get it on the 19th, but I got it today early, which is nice. Okay, pretty heavy. Okay. Okay, so it has the Sony box. There's 8K, 4K, HDR, all that is supported here. And I'm just pulling it out. Pulling it out. And whoa! Voila! And this box is pretty big. You guys can see how big it is. This is me, and this is how big it is. Bam! Yeah, cool, right? Anyway, so is there anything else? Stunning games, incredible graphics, experience, okay. Deeper gaming experience with haptic feedback, adaptive triggers. This is something very exciting. 3D audio technology. Then there's custom CPU and SSD integrated with. Okay. I want to play. I really want to play and see how it is. So now this is what the box looks like. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more unboxing videos or about like my journey to the UK basically. I arrived here. Okay, so I'm supposed to lift this up. I'm guessing this is like the controller. Well, let's see. I can't open it. No. Okay. Oh, okay. So this comes with a manual, obviously. So this is a guarantee. Then there's the quick start guide. Then there's the safety guide. So there are 3 things in here. So you can read it for however you play the PlayStation 5 and stuff. Okay. So this is what it is. Let's take the controller out. I'm very excited about the controller because, I mean, Okay. Yippee! Hello! So this is what it's like, and this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like Xbox controller. I don't know why it kind of reminds me of the Xbox controller, but there's a few differences obviously. Okay, so the color I expected it to be completely white. It's not exactly white. It's like a shade of grey. Maybe it was written on the website. I didn't really see it, but okay. I like it. I like the way it looks. It's got a when you touch it, it doesn't have a very smooth exterior. It's I mean, it just feels good. Like you can definitely hold on to it. There's like a really nice grip to it because of this extended part as well. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. And the one thing that I really liked is that they have the adaptive triggers, which is amazing. Because when you're shooting or something, you go light. That's so brilliant. I will try that out. And that's it. And I'll just compare it with the PlayStation 4 controller. 1 second. Okay. So, for reference, this is the difference. This thing is, they pulled it down a little, and definitely it feels so different. Like when you touch this and when you hold this, it's so different because this one is like more smooth, but this on the other hand is not that smooth. But yeah, it's fun. And even this thing completely looks different. It's bigger, definitely bigger than the PlayStation 4 controller, and the PlayStation button again. And then there's a light here. Even this looks. Oh, that's the mic. Okay, so all these things are different. It looks cooler. It looks really high tech. So I really like it. Okay. So what else? I think a lot of there's this wire here. I'm gonna set it up soon. So excited to set up. Okay. I think this is the tray. Which is supposed to. Yeah, I can place it. If I don't want to place it horizontally, I can place it vertically. This is what it's for. So you need this tray to place your PlayStation. Now I'm just going to take out the PlayStation because that's the main deal. So I can just pull these. Come on. Yes, I should be really careful right now. So excited! It's so super duper excited, but I'm just being careful. imagine. I don't even want to imagine what happens if I drop it. Okay. Wait. Yay! Finally! Okay. Huge box. Anyway. Now, let's open this thing. Yep. I'm just gonna remove this. How am I supposed to remove it? I think I'm gonna move it side. Oh! What? Looks so cool, guys! Hello! On PlayStation 5. Okay, it doesn't say that. That's me. That's it. No, it's me. I said it. Anyway, so look at how beautiful it is. Pretty sleek. I'm gonna wear it with the PlayStation 4 now. First, the logo looks absolutely amazing here. Like, I love the way this looks. It feels like it's just so nice, and it just looks so high tech. But is it like, will it get scratches easily? Might. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, really pretty, and obviously the loading speed, that's one thing that's gonna be really exciting. One more exciting thing about it. Remember the noise from PlayStation 4? No more of that noise. You can easily play it. You know, there used to be like people around you that you want to play with, and that person's like, you can't play because it's so loud. But not anymore. That's amazing, and it actually looks like, it looks good. Like, it looks like a showpiece or something. You have it actually makes the room look better. So that's amazing as well. Anyway, I'm just gonna compare it with PlayStation 4. It looks so small. I mean, I know it's this way, but even if I like place it like this, it's so small. Wow, I could like fit another, like half of another PlayStation 4 here. Isn't that cool? And well, yeah, this is, I think it's heavier as well. Not like that matters. No, this is heavier. I don't know. Anyway, so this is the difference. I definitely love the way it looks. I'm super excited, and well, I just set it up as well and show it to you guys real quick. And super excited for this. I can't believe it's so different to hold this controller. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Are you guys ready? I am ready. Or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. So it just illuminates like that. Looks pretty cool. Still waiting for it. Waiting. Okay. Ooh. Turn it on, and it's kind of different than it used to be in the PlayStation 4. There's games, there's the video. So you have Netflix, Twitch. Oh, wait. Twitch is right here, so I think you can directly stream from your I can't wait for the Hogwarts Legacy. I really cannot wait for that game. A lot of other games, so it's gonna be fun time. And finally, it's here. It's been like PlayStation 4 was like 8 years ago. So exciting stuff. Anyway, see you guys. Bye bye. Take care.